Everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new griddles. This is going to be a 72-inch griddle, okay? Countertop. Obviously, as you can see, it has the legs. Comes with the legs. Legs are not installed. You would need to install. Okay, brand on this griddle is our own company brand, Cooler Depot, as you can see on the front. It's a manual griddle, 72 inches. I'm going to go ahead and give you the overall measurements. So you have an idea what it measures. As I mentioned here, the length is 72 inches. Okay, front to back. You're looking at a total of 33 inches. Okay, from the griddle to the back, you're looking at 24.5 inches. Okay, with the legs installed, the height on this griddle, you're looking at 15 inches. Without the legs, it's 11. Okay, now I'm also going to measure the thickness for this griddle. As you can see here, it's 1 inch thickness for the griddle, 1 inch. Okay, you have your waste tray over here. You have tool for this griddle. Also, this griddle can be used for natural gas or propane. It's already set up for natural gas. If you want to go ahead and convert to propane, we have our pieces here in order to do so. Also, you have an instruction manual, so if you have any questions or don't know how to use this griddle, all the information is on the booklet for this unit. Now, if you follow me over to the back, on the back is where you can find the gas connection for this griddle. Okay, all stainless steel, very good quality griddle. Now, lastly, you can see on the side we have a sticker with more information on this griddle, brand, certification. The unit is ETL certified. Okay, so you do have your certification on the side. Okay, so this is 72-inch manual griddle. If you're interested in one of these griddles, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact size. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. I'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.